Hello friend, now I teach you how to use USB. How to use USB file. Lead into machine. Operate. Just. Okay, you can press USB into this. OK， 好，开始了。First press F1 lever, F2, F2.
F1. USB F1.
Press F2 USB fire.
就换页。
OK, we can choose. 好，第三个。OK, you can choose here. Now choose this fire.
换一下 OK.
That's OK. OK. This is fire. Now it's OK. Now we setting the
看保镖。
we setting the speed. Press F. 念一下 F. OK. We want to setting.
4000。
好。4,000. And press Enter. OK.
清保镖还有手动清保镖。
You can see. Here it is 4,000. And now we move the torch to the place where we want to cut it. 我们就挪了。
那个清保镖
就这种状态。OK, we move the torch.
先定下位。
For example, we want to. OK, and this can move torch up and down, up and down. This can move torch. OK, and we choose X, Y to 0, go to 0. Press F7, press F3. You can see this is all 0, and 这个是退出是吧？And press ESC. This situation. And now we go to 0 and setting wheel speed. And setting wheel speed. And I want to testing the working area. If the torch cutting in working area, you can press G. Press G, 然后 choose test and press Enter.
最后它就开始控制了。
After press Enter, press Enter and press Enter and press this.
往左再变长。好，对，现在确认。
You can see. Press OK. OK, it is show the working area. OK, it is in the in working area. So then we start cutting. OK. 然后直接点开始就行了吗？
那改，你要是切的话，你就给它上。
再按 G 是吧？
对啊。
Okay, this is testing. Testing. We press G again. Okay. Press choose this. Okay, press Enter. Okay. Now we start to cutting it. It's okay. Okay. And then press Enter. Okay.